Hey there, party people. Today we're going to do a ball Pilates class. It's been a while, so I figured it was time to play with our balls. So stay with me. We're going to do a intermediate level ball Pilates class. We'll start off by doing some circles, just using the core to move the hips back to the side, to the front, and to the opposite side. Now reverse, making them nice, smooth circles. Just warming up the spine. Great job. Now lift the right arm up. Bring the left hand to the side of the ball or the floor, pressing in, getting a good deep side body stretch on that right side. Now switch sides. Bring that left arm up. Pressing the right hand into the floor or the side of the ball. Great job. Now bring the ball to the back of the mat. Center yourself on the ball. Stretch out the left leg, keep the right leg bent. Bring the right hand to the left leg, slide the right hand on down, lift the left arm up. Right shoulder comes forward, left shoulder comes back. Switch sides. Left hand to the right leg now, slide the hand on down, lift the right arm up. Good, one more time on each side. Slide the right hand down the left leg. Switch. Just warming up the spine. Excellent. Now we're going to walk the feet forward. You can use your hands to center the ball. Walk yourself forward. Press the feet into the floor. Lift the hips up. Keep the shoulders lifted, core activated. Use your core to sit back up on the ball. Now slowly walk your feet forward. Bringing the ball to the shoulders. Press the feet into the floor. Lift the hips. Slowly walk yourself back. Keep the shoulders lifted up. And again, walk the feet forward slowly with control. Lift the hips by pressing your feet into the floor, engaging your glutes. Now we'll do the 100. Just pumping the arms 5 times on the inhale, 5 times on the exhale. Keep the shoulders lifted up, the core engaged. Keep pressing those feet into the floor. Keep those glutes engaged. Keep at it. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now just slowly walk your feet back. Sit up on the ball. Now press your hands into the ball. Lift your hips up. Just hovering over the ball. Getting yourself acclimated. Well done. Come back to the ball. Now get mentally prepared. We're going to lift up, hovering over the ball. And then lift the right leg up. Left leg now, slowly with control. Lift the left leg, stretch it out, bring it back down. We're going to do 5 on each side. Now the left side. Right side. Lift, stretch out the left leg, bring it back down. 2 more on each side. You've got this. Good. Return yourself back to the ball. Nice work. Now bring the ball to the right side. Just drape your body over the ball. Bring the right hand to the floor. left hand to the left hip. Just stretch out that left leg. Bring the leg up. Pulses. Now stack the feet. Side plank using the ball. If you want, bend the left leg, grab a hold of the big toe, stretch that leg out. Or if you need to, bring that knee down, the right knee, stretching the left leg out, holding the big toe. Now just drape yourself across the ball, getting a good side stretch. Stretch the left arm out. And just switch sides. Roll it over to the left side. Right hand to the right leg, do 10 pulses. Keeping that right leg straight, foot is flexed. Just lift it up, drop it down. If you want, give it a try. Try to stack your legs. Going into a side plank using the ball, it's tricky keeping your balance this way. If you need to, bring the left knee down and grab your big toe. See if you can stretch that right leg out, grabbing it with the right 2 fingers. Grab the big toe. Nice. Come back onto the ball. Bring your hands under your shoulders and just see if you can go into a modified wheel. Have the fingertips pointed back towards your body and then just press into the mat. Lift yourself up off of the ball. Good job. Now just rock back and forth, giving your back a nice gentle massage. Good job. Come back to sitting on the ball. Center the hands under the shoulders. Roll yourself up onto the ball. And then push your hands into the mat, roll it back. We can do 5 of these. Just find your balance. Roll yourself up onto the ball, perching into hedgehog pose, and then slowly with control, press your shoulders down. Press your hands into the mat, lift your feet up as high as you can get them. Roll yourself back up onto the ball. Press into the floor with your hands. Lift your legs up as high as you can get them. Bring the heels up. Come back up onto the ball. Press the hands into the floor, lift the feet up, and roll yourself back up onto the ball. Next, just lay back on the mat, stretch the ball out, bring both legs up to touch the ball. Drop the right leg down, lift it up, drop the left leg down, lift it up. We're going to do single leg lifts, just alternating from side to side. If you want, you can lift your shoulders up, chin to chest, keeping the core activated. Now place the ball on the shins. Arms come along the side, keeping the shins parallel with the ceiling. Just stretch the legs out, pull them back in. We'll do 10 of these. Stretch legs out, pull them back in. Balancing the ball on the shins. Excellent work. Grab the ball with your feet, roll it out, put your calves on the ball, arms stay along the side, activating the glutes, lift your hips up. And again, keep at it. Engage in your glutes when you get to the top. Good job. Now roll the feet onto the ball, roll it back towards you, lace your fingers together, place them at the back of your head. We'll just do some twists. Bring the right elbow to the left knee, left elbow comes up towards the right knee. Switching, going back and forth from side to side. Not applying any pressure to the back of your head. Roll the ball back out so that the ball is under the calves. Lift the hips. We're going to alternately lift the legs. Right side first, then the left side. Do 10 on each side. Just switching back and forth. Lift the hips. Lift the right leg up, left leg up. Right leg up, left leg up. And again. Just moving back and forth. Lower the hips back down. Roll the ball in towards you. Lift it up, pass it to your hands, and switch it back to the feet. Passing the ball back and forth from the hands to the feet, doing a double leg stretch. Dropping the ball down on the inhale, exhaling, passing it back to the other one. Holding the ball out with your arms, touching your toes to it. We'll just do little circles with the legs. Doing 10 in one direction with the right side first. And reverse. Going in the opposite direction. If it feels good, lift your head and shoulders up off of the mat. If you need to rest, then go ahead and lay back down. Reversing the circles on the left side now. Taking a break if you need to. And then roll the ball out. Roll it back in. Press your feet into the ball. Roll it back towards you. Now press your feet into the ball, arms along your side. Lift your hips up. Really engage in your glutes. Slowly roll your hips back down. One more time, lift the hips, engage the glutes. Slowly roll the spine back down, one vertebrae at a time. And last one. Nice work. Roll the ball out with your feet. Then grab the ball with your feet, pass it to your hands, stretch your legs out, roll yourself back up. touch your toes, and go ahead, set the ball off to the side. We're all done. Thank you so much for joining me today, everybody. I hope you loved this video. Check out the code in the description to get some of these sweet pants that help tighten up the midsection. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.